come shopping with me? I don't know how people do renovations. Alex let me do it. Morning. I decided to vlog today. It's gonna be a busy day, a lot of shopping and a lot of returns and everything, that like IKEA and HomeSense and everything. As you know, we moved, so right now our house is like completely empty. Still have balloons from my baby shower and lots of flowers around. So today I'm gonna bring you with me to IKEA, and then I wanna go shopping a little bit. I'm gonna film come shopping with me. I'm gonna show you my outfit right now. A little sneak peek how we're going to IKEA. So we bought this countertop to install in our kitchen, and then the person who said that he can actually install it said that he's not gonna do it. Now we're bringing it back to IKEA. It's very annoying. Honestly, like, we haven't done a lot in our house, like, renovation wise. Mostly we've done everything ourselves. We painted walls, we changed a little bit kitchen. We didn't do any like dramatic changes. Only two reasons why we wanted to hire somebody. One is to change countertop, and then the second case where we wanted to hire somebody is to paint walls on a staircase, because painting was fine. People came and they did a pretty good job, but the countertop they canceled basically the last minute. They're supposed to come on Saturday or morning, and then they cancel like Friday night. So I don't know how people do renovation for the whole house. It's probably like so stressful with all these contractors and, you know, like people canceling in the last minute. Okay, so we are on our way to IKEA first because we need to get rid of all this. We need to buy a drawer for baby. It's way harder to choose a drawer than I expected, because I really like one style and then Alex doesn't like it, so we're choosing something else. Also, they already have all the Christmas stuff. Honestly, I want everything here. Also, we saw this and now I want it. It's so lovely. I think I'm gonna get two. Also, this outdoor lights, this is adorable. I want it as well.
No way.
Or small snowmans.
No.
I'm buying all of this. Alex let me do it. Done with IKEA, a bunch of boxes on the back. So now we're gonna go to ZARA. I need to pick up a few pieces, like maybe jackets or like sweater, because it's winter coming and I don't have a lot of oversized sweaters and jackets. Nothing basically zips on my belly, which makes sense. The plan is to go to ZARA and maybe to check Aritzia. I'm not sure. Different ZARA, because I saw online a few cute jackets, so I want to try them first. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to ZARA and hope we can get something. This is the first one I picked up, just like winter kind of leather jacket. Obviously I probably need a size up. This is large, but there's no way I can, you know, zip it. But I don't know if I'm actually gonna like zip it or leave it like that. I never had one of these. They're like super popular and they're very easy to style. So I'm thinking to get this one, but probably size up. This is the second one. I actually like this one way more than that one. I know it's not as long as the black one, but I like the color way more, and it's very soft. And this is extra large, so again I won't be able to like zip it, but that's okay. It's super warm and it's so soft and cozy. And this one is just $119, so it's $40 less expensive than the black one. And then this coat, definitely like the coat, like so good. The length is perfect. I like this big pockets. I like the color. It's warm and it has wool as well. And with this scarf, I feel like it looks nice with the scarf, but even without the scarf. It looks so big though. I picked up the sweater and it fits perfectly. I like the color. It looks very good in the bum, and then it's gonna be great after as well. It's very soft, like it's such a nice material. I like this color. It's so good. Yeah, maybe size up. This is size large. I should take extra large, but at the same time, like once I don't have a bump, it's gonna be loose. So that's how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna get a sweater for sure. I like it. And how much is it? It's $49.99. It's not bad. Yeah, it's actually a very good price for ZARA sweater, especially like it's very good material. It has wool in it. The sweater honestly looks good with any jacket. So I think I'm gonna get sweater. Probably I'm gonna get this black aviator jacket as well. I know I said that I like that one, the feel of that one more. I think the black one is going to be like more versatile. And then I don't have any black jacket honestly for like fall and winter. Most of my jackets, they're like colorful or beige color. So I feel like I need the black one. Okay, so I think I'm going to get the sweater with the jacket. Maybe the coat? Yes? No? I don't know. Obviously I need another shoes with this outfit. I need something black. That was exhausting. I know all I've done is basically like IKEA and ZARA, but I'm so exhausted and I want to go home. So I bought the black jacket, the aviator black jacket, and also I got the blue sweater. And actually the one that I was trying on, it was size small, not size large. So I got size medium because like I wanted a little bit roomy sweater. Yeah, so I got the sweater, I got aviator jacket. I almost got the coat, but then I was like, nah, I think I can find something better. So I just got the 2 pieces, not a lot, but they're very good, and that's exactly what I needed. Yeah, maybe next week I'm gonna go to H&M or something. Oh, maybe I'll order online. Not sure. Yeah, now we're going home. I'm so hungry, and I just wanna relax and do nothing for the rest of the day.